construction workers are the black ones look like thugs and shit? No, they got cornrows and tattoos and shit. Be honest, as a man, there's a lot of men in here tonight. Be honest, as a man, don't part of your mind in the back of your mind be like, yo, I'll punch her right in the fucking mouth. Punch her right in the fucking face. See how fucking tough she is now with a strap on. I will fucking beat her ass and then beat her with her strap on. I'm not fucking around with this dyke. But the tough lesbians, do you think they ever shave their vagina? Ever. Ever. I don't neither, honey. Here's why. Here's why. Because shaving is such a feminine thing. You know, it's feminine. It's womanly. It's like, shaving my pussy. I picture those tough lesbians doing it. You know, I picture them doing it sometimes, but they're all angry. They're like, yeah, motherfucker, yeah. Yeah, this fucking hair off my cunt. Yeah. With a rusty pick, just motherfucker. They don't even give a fuck. They're giving their fucking labia like razor bumps. They're like, fuck your shit, man. I went a little too far. Ah, shit. Oh, man. I love women that shave it, though, man. Like a lot of the ladies, 2010, you shaving it bald, ladies? Who's got the bald puss in here tonight? Nobody? Alright.
Nobody's admitting.
That's right, sir. Do you have any penis hair, sir? That's right. Makes it look bigger. That's right. It does, fellas. You don't know that. You fucking shave your shit down. Gives you like an optical illusion of an extra half-inch of dick.
And I expect the same from them.
That's right. She find you put it in her. She thinks it's all big because it's shaved down. You put it in her. She's like, this shit feels little as shit. It's a trick. But I like it when it's shaved, ladies. When it's all the way shaved, like nothing there. Sexy to me. I love it. It's very sexy until like 4 or 5 days later, like that 5 o'clock shadow starts to grow back in on the motherfucker, and you feel like you're fucking Fred Flintstone in the mouth. I always know when she's gonna come though. She's like, yabba dabba do. Oh yeah, that's right, bitch. Think this shit. Yabba dabba do. Love the you don't like me, honey? Really? She's got a shaved pussy and she's